I have started recording. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is coming from it is Tirunelveli district. The right is coming from Panchayat Aramule. It is belongs to Kanyakumari district. The school is situated in the border between Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli district. Now we are entering to the gate.
Okay, sir.
Now we are entering to the gate. This is our school gate. Now our school is 2.27 acres and the school is constructed with the Pakka building as well as compound walls. Now I am going to the left side of the compound wall.
Okay, sir. I can see your boundary wall. What is the height of your boundary wall?
It's nearly 500 feet, madam. 500 feet.
Okay.
It is from the base is nearly 2 feet. That is nearly 5.5. Nearly 7 feet is coming, madam. Almost.
Okay, okay.
Moving left. Right side.
Okay, this is your main gate.
Yeah, main gate. Now we are going to the right side of the compound wall.
Sir, your sound is not clear because maybe some... Monita ma'am, are you able to listen clearly?
Now we are going to the right side of the compound, madam. Is it
Okay,
audible?
sir.
Yeah. I'm moving towards this one. It is near to the wall. It is a beautifully garden and with a lot of fruits and small shrubs. The school is completely covered with a proper reinforced concrete. Now I'm showing you our complete view of the school. Now this is it is a ground floor. That means we have 3 floors: ground floor, first floor, and second floor. Now I am moving.
Second building. I can see. Sir, what is this on the right, on your right side? Just
The
move
right
your
side.
camera towards right
Yeah.
side, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, oh, more right, sir. Right side.
Hello.
Hello, Hanji ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now moving towards the entrance.
उनका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है अभी. मैम आपने प्रेजेंट कर दिया है शायद. मोनिता मैम.
हाँ जी मैम.
मैम अपना
Yes.
प्रेजेंट स्टॉप कर दीजिए. आप
मैम,
प्रेजेंट
क्या
कर रहे हैं तो आपका ही वीडियो आ रहा है.
Yes, madam. Now entering to the.
मैम क्या मेरे को क्या कह रहे हैं?
हाँ ठीक है, उनको बोलने दीजिए मैम. वो बोलेंगे तो उनका वीडियो आ जाएगा. उनका वीडियो आना चाहिए ना स्क्रीन पे.
ठीक है. मेरे पास तो आ रहा है मैम.
This is our.
अच्छा अच्छा, तो फिर मुझे अभी नहीं सुनाई दे रहा वो. हाँ ठीक है.
This is our main building, ma'am.
Okay.
Now entering to the office area. We kept sanitation as well as thermal check the parents when they come for any paying the fee and this solution sanitizer as well as.
Okay, okay.
And this we kept for our.
This you can give to guard also, sir, so that whosoever enters through the gate, the guard can directly check.
Yes, yes, madam. Yes, madam. Now entering to the office. The right side of this room is the principal's room. And this is the principal's room, madam.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going to the reception area. The parents will come and sit here and they will ask inquiries. We kept 2.2.
This is water dispenser. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Then we kept the chairs for the. This is our office. The office people wait for the parents. They'll come and pay the fee or other details. And the admission process will happen here, madam.
Okay,
Then
sir.
the right side of this building, our sister's room, she's taking care about the school. Other than the academic area, administrator, sister Mrs. Julie. This. Now we are entering to the next. What I saw, madam.
Sir, move to your labs. Or toilets you can show. One girl's toilet, one boy's toilet, and one Divyang toilet if you have.
Fine, sister. Fine, sister. Fine, madam. Madam, I'm moving towards this. Here, the classrooms are ventilated with the proper this one, and KG sections we have the AC. Now we are going to the girls' toilet. Now we have the drinking water facility for the children. We have the drinking water.
Okay. So RO you have installed.
Yes, but RO included. We have two systems for each floor we have, madam.
Okay.
Bala concept also you have included. All your building is painted. See beautiful pictures I can see.
Yes, madam. Yeah, we have KG section. We have this all things. Walls painted with the flex so that the children can visualize the things images.
This is primary classroom.
Yes, KG rooms, madam. With different shapes so that children can understand this, madam. There are different shapes, and this will get for the KG section.
Okay, sir.
It is a classroom fixed with the AC, so that they can feel very comfortable in the classroom. As well as we have the television.
Okay.
So that lunchtime they put some music songs, so then they enjoy the songs. Now we move to the girls' toilet, madam.
Okay, sir.
Washroom for girls.
Yes, sir. Sound is not coming neither.
Now we are going to the boys toilet room, madam.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now we are moving towards the now we are moving to boys washroom.
This is washroom for boys. Okay.
Yes, madam. Yeah. Every floor we are having. Here are the urinals, madam.
Okay.
For the boys. Yes, madam. Yeah. Now we are moving to the madam through the steps.
Do you have ramp in your school, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We have there. We'll show after the first one. We'll show after
When you come down, sir, you come down through ramp so that can also be included in the video. Okay.
Fine, madam. Fine, madam. Ji. Fine. Fine. I'll come to the through the RAM, madam. After the showing the last, I'll come to the RAM, madam. Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Spacious corridor you have, sir.
this is we have the spacious corridors, madam, and
Yes,
we
sir.
have the land. Yes, madam. Just I'll show the land to you, so that there'll be. Yes, madam. This is our
Green
inside.
garden I can see, sir.
Yes, madam. Yeah, green garden is there, so that the children will see that this greenery is available, as well as the fresh air comes to the classrooms.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going to the one classroom is fixed with the digital boards. This
Okay.
is classroom, the second standard.
Okay,
This
projector
fixed
is
with the
installed.
yes, madam. Yeah, digital board. Yes, madam. Here is a
Yes,
here the
sir.
digital board, so that the children. In all the classrooms, we have flex, so that every day they'll see the things they learn. All
Yes,
the
sir.
classrooms fixed with that. Yes, yeah.
This is a primary classroom.
Yes, the primary section as well as all the classes, even higher class also, we have this type of flex, so that they learn a lot of new words and the concepts.
Okay, these are flex boards, sir, and not painting.
Yeah, is that no, madam? Flex
Okay.
painted with gum. Yes, madam. It is not. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good practice. I had also done in my school this type of things.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you. Now, for class 2, we have planets and the other systems, so that you can imagine where is the earth is there, everything.
Okay, sir.
Now we are moving to the composite lab, madam.
Okay, sir.
All the corridors will be fixed with the CCTV also. You can.
Yeah, that's good, sir. For the safety of the students,
Yes,
that's
we are-
good.
for the safety of the children. Now we are entering to the
Composite science lab.
lab. Yeah. Now,
Namaskar, ma'am. How are you?
now Now see, Now I hand over to this one to Mrs. Sapphire. Yeah. Just to say.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes. Just say good morning. Yeah. So say madam.
How are you, ma'am?
I will continue. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome
Good
to St.
morning.
Joseph. Yeah. I am
Thank you,
Sahaya
ma'am. Thank
Rani.
you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I am Sahaya Rani, MSc B.Ed Physics. So this is the composite lab.
Oh, good, good. MSc Physics.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Physics teacher must be very good.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So this is the board. And then here we can arrange the things. So this is first two tables we arranged in physics things.
So how many
Action
students you
also.
can have, ma'am, at one time?
Ma'am, each class there is number of students. There is third standard 39 students, ma'am. Yeah, fourth
Okay.
standard is also 39. Each table we allowed 5 students. 5 students. Sometimes the students are absent in 4 students. Yes, ma'am. So this is
And you
chemistry.
have footprint for everyone?
Yes, ma'am. So this is the biology things. So here also we arranged the biology things. That is the human parts of our bodies. So this also physics. So totally 8 tables are here, ma'am. Totally 8 tables are here. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Now we are moving to the library, madam.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now we are moving to library, madam.
Yes.
Morning.
Good morning.
Welcome, ma'am. So, we have 2,896 books are available.
Okay.
The library is 1,210.70 square meters.
Yes, sir. Continue. Actually, electricity problem, but I connected through my mobile.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. We have
Your science lab, ma'am, it was recorded up to that part. It is recorded, so still it is the recording is on. You please continue.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we see you have magazines,
There are
newspapers?
4 magazines are 24 magazines. Library.
Okay. Okay. And newspapers?
6 newspapers are available.
Okay. You have a library stock register?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैम इशू रजिस्टर भी देखना है मंजू मैम.
Hello, yes, madam.
Sir, can you
Manju
show the
ma'am.
issue register also? Issue register.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. You have.
कुछ आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही है मैम.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We are giving the books for the children too. We have the separate notebooks, madam.
Just open it little bit. Okay.
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Clear
Fine.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Now we are moving to the computer lab.
Okay, sir.
So we are going to the computer lab. Now he is in charge of the computer lab. Say your name.
Jay Prakash. Totally.
So how
Here we
many
have 44 students are available.
How many systems?
Even they can accommodate. We have 44. We have, madam. We can accommodate 40 children, madam. 40 students at a time. 40 students. Yes, madam.
Okay.
This is the computer lab. The same way we have.
Okay.
Yes. Now we are moving to the biology lab, madam. After coming, I will show the RAM, madam.
Okay, sir.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Now we are going to the second floor. It's the senior secondary biology lab.
Morning, madam. Welcome to Center Lab. I am Mrs. Sam Shobana, MSc BA, Biology staff.
Okay. So, ma'am, is this a new lab? Have you used it before?
Yes. And we are moving to the physics lab, madam. In the
I
second
want
physics
to
lab.
see the stock register for biolab. Is it a new lab, sir? Have you used
Yes.
it now?
Yeah. No. We used for 11th and 12th. We have tested, madam, everything. I'll show to you, madam. No problem.
Yes.
This is a biology register, madam.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, madam. Thank you.
And can I talk to ma'am? Ma'am for a minute?
Yes. You can speak with madam.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, you've been taking biology lab in this room before?
Now, this is for senior secondary. Now there is no student for senior secondary. That's why we are using for 9th and 10th grades, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine, ma'am. How many students can come in the lab?
Yeah, students in 10th grade, 10 students. 10th grade, 10 students. In the 9th grade, 14 students, ma'am.
And you have equipment for everyone to use and to see?
Yes, ma'am. For experiment, many experiments are given in the textbook. According to the experiment, we are explaining one by one. We have the timetable for practical classes. We are following the timetable, ma'am. Weekly once we take the students for lab activity.
Do you have microscope? Microscope?
Yeah, I am handling biology for 6 to 10th grade students.
Okay. Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sixth lab, madam. This is a called of the second floor. This is the senior secondary physics lab.
Okay, sir.
It's taken all by Mr. Sagarani.
Good morning, ma'am. Physics lab. Students. Now, students for 9th and 10th students are using. So, we are in the objects.
Okay.
This is ma'am. It's a purpose in small s, in small s. Clearly arranged spectrometer and with vernier spectrometer.
Yes.
Ma'am, how many?
Yes,
How
now
much
we are moving.
equipment you have for each? No, sir. Stock register.
Yes, sir, I'll show. We have the 65 instruments, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Now we are moving to the mass lab, madam.
Okay.
This is Mr. Tausi, MSc B.Ed, maths teacher.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to St. Joseph Max Lab.
Ma'am, how many kits do you have of each?
From second standard to 8th standard. From second standard to 8th standard for all the students. So we have weekly ones.
How many students do one activity?
We allotted some tables. Each table 4 students we allotted. Sometimes
Okay.
they are assistants.
And how many students do you allow at one time?
Or allow at one time. Each 5 children only will do at one time. Okay.
How do you assist them? You explain it to them and then they do it?
Actually, no. How they'll do it, they ask.
They will do with the help of me and using the topic, they arrange the content. I display here. They are using to fix. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Go to the chemistry lab, madam.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to St. Joseph International School, RYP. Our 4 tables are there. Apparatus.
Ma'am, where do you keep the chemicals? The chemicals which you give to the students which are a bit dangerous.
Yes, madam. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Do you keep them locked? Some of them?
I couldn't hear, madam.
Have you kept a fire extinguisher in your school in this chemistry lab?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We have that, madam. No time we yes.
Show us, sir.
Yes, madam. We have.
It is outside chemistry lab or inside chemistry lab? It is
It's
outside chemistry
outside.
lab.
It's outside. Yes, madam. We get outside, madam.
Okay, just show us the date, sir. Zoom on the date of this cylinder.
Yes,
On
madam.
which date it
Yes,
was
madam.
refilled?
Yes, for date is 22
22/1/19. Okay,
Yes,
refill is
madam.
up to 24. This much. Generally, they
No,
give
yes.
for 1 year.
No. They're giving refill, yeah, 5 years, madam. Yeah, refilled on 22/1/2019, and next refill is 22/1/2024.
Okay, show us the pressure, sir. More upside. There might be a
Yes,
pressure
sir.
valve on this.
Yes, yes,
Sir, it's
madam.
not. Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
Focus. Zoom on this, sir. Yes, it is good. Do you
Yes,
do
madam.
mock drills, sir? Mock drills?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yeah. Yes, sir. We did it, madam. Yes, madam. We did it.
Okay, okay, sir. So you have shown us math lab, physics lab, chemistry lab, and composite science lab.
Yes, madam. We
Computer
will.
lab. Yes.
Yeah. In the second floor also, we have drinking water.
Okay, sir.
Yes, madam.
Now you are moving to?
Towards the wellness room, madam. Then we are going to the RAM. You told them after the second floor, we have to go to the RAM. We're going to the RAM.
Library, sir. Where is library?
Library already is shown, no, madam. Yeah, we are shown. Yes, madam.
Okay, actually, I was disconnected. That's why that part is not recorded in the video, sir. So please,
Okay,
if you can go once and just show us the video, means from one side to the other side of the library.
Yes, madam. Yeah, yeah. Now we are. Now we are going to the wellness room.
Wellness room. Okay.
Yes. This is we have the person, and if the child is sick, they'll come and take, and we'll give the first aid, madam.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going to the RAM, madam. We have the extra rooms.
Yes, that extra room you have to show.
Yes, madam. I'll show, madam. Now I'll show the extra rooms, madam. We have the enough furnitures as well as we have the.
Okay, this is vacant classroom.
Yes, madam. We kept the extra chairs and tables are they available. Yes, madam.
Okay.
The second floor we have the extra rooms. Yes.
How many extra rooms you have, sir?
We have nearly 13 rooms, madam. But now temporarily we're using. Yes, madam. We have the extra 13 rooms for yes, madam.
Sufficient number of rooms you have.
Yes, we have the enough rooms, madam. Yes, madam. Only the 3 rooms we fixed with the furnitures. The remaining rooms furnitures will come in future, madam.
Okay.
We are going to the RAM, madam. Even I'll release to the children who did it. The children made drawings the last year. The children done by
Third A.
third is
Okay.
this fourth A one girl, Niveda. Yes.
Good, good, good. Sir.
And this is done by fifth standard student, madam.
Good, good.
And this is also done by 8th class children, handicrafts.
Okay.
This is with the help of teachers. They did it for earthen box and decorated with the jignas and beads.
Okay, sir.
And they made a Christmas tree with the help of the art teacher. And again, this fourth A, another boy made this watercoloring. This is done by Ronald, one 700 boy.
Okay, sir. Now, please let's move to the library because otherwise the video will be long and it will be difficult to upload, sir.
I'll show the RAM, madam. And now we
Okay,
are
sir.
going to the RAM towards the library, madam.
Okay, sir.
It's specially designed for the inclusive children, CWSN. We have the staff room also. These are the classrooms. We are now moving towards the library, madam.
Okay, sir.
This is a library. In front of the library, the 5 laws of library written is the father of Indian library, Dr. Sir Ranganathan photo is kept. Let's start the children. Yes.
Okay, sir. Good, good.
This is a reading area.
What is the size of the library, sir?
It's 1,210.07
Okay.
square feet, madam. Yes, madam.
And how many books do you have?
2,896 books, madam. We have 16 journals and 6 newspapers, daily newspapers, Hindu, Tamil, Hindu, English, Dinatandi, Dinamalar, and Dinagaran and Dinamani. 6 newspapers, 2 Indian Express, 2 English newspapers, daily newspapers, and 4 Tamil newspapers, so that the children can read about what is happening around us.
Okay, sir. Okay, good. Computer lab, sir?
Yes, my computer lab already shown. I will ready to show, madam. No problem. Already I shown to you. We have 44 system, madam. We have the computer system. We have 44. This is a computer lab.
Okay, this is computer lab.
Yeah, we have 44 systems, madam, with all running. At a time, 40 can accommodate this computer lab, madam. But
Okay,
we
sir.
have
Okay,
44
good.
systems.
Now I think only sports room is left, sports area, because main
So
labs
sports-
we have seen.
Shall I go to the sports area, madam?
Yes, sir.
Room I have to go, madam. So I have to.
No, rooms we have seen, primary room, secondary room, vacant we have seen, sir, so no need.
Okay. So sports area, we shall go. Hello.
Hello, yes, sir. So sports area we can move.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
And after sports, we can directly move to your office where file is kept. Okay, so that we can see some documents.
Fine, madam. Fine. Fine. Now, this is a play area for a small kids, madam, for KG children and first, second children.
Okay.
They'll come and play the swings and
Swings.
this then this. Yes, madam. These are all the things we kept for the small children, madam.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yes, madam. Okay.
Your audio is coming only, sir. Monita ma'am, are you able to see the video?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay.
Okay.
Good evening. Yeah. Now is madam. Now we are moving to the playground area for the senior second level.
Okay, sir. Yes, now I can see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, you may, there is one suggestion that you may put the name plates of the plants also, so that students,
Yeah,
while moving through these areas.
So, yeah, we have this, madam. We have this one. I show to you,
Okay,
madam.
okay. Mm.
We have it, madam. It is a chronically it is used for kidney stones. It is a plant we planted, madam.
Okay, okay, that's good, sir. I have seen in many schools of Hyderabad and Bangalore. That's why,
Yes.
I mean, this practice is followed over there. That's why I suggested.
Yeah. It is one of the another plant. Its name is Vallari. It is Vallari. It's one of the lettuce. It increase the memory power for children. For you can give
Okay.
make it. With, yes, madam. It is growing very fast and also fully grown area, madam. It is our children and social teachers they pluck it and take to home. It's one of the best green lettuce mixed with the dal. You can give the children. It's a Vallari kiri. It's a Vallari lettuce.
Okay.
Yes, we have medicinal plants, madam. Another one is having, yes, you see that we kept every place. We have more than 25
Yeah.
medicinal plants. Yes, madam.
Good medical collection,
And,
sir.
yeah, we have here knees and mouth. This is one of the insulin tree. This one you can eat it. This one we can eat it.
Okay.
It is reduces insulin level for the people who are in diabetes 1 and 2 levels, madam. This
Okay.
plant. Then we have the hibiscus, different varieties.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, madam. It is hibiscus rosa sinensis. Then we have, yeah, it is also the plant. It is used for, particularly, it is a Renaissance nastus knees. It is used for curing the skin diseases. And we have the aloe vera. It's aloe vera, as well as the students plant for sometimes vegetables too. Now we have this is a playground.
Secondary
Madam.
playground area. Okay.
Yes, madam. We have volleyball net, basketball, badminton, and coco, and other area we have these things, madam.
Okay. This is volleyball ground.
Yes, madam. It's a badminton court, madam. That side is a volleyball is there. This side we made a coco. Due to the last
Okay.
2 days, we got a heavy rain, madam. That's why we there's all lines are disappeared here.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. We'll go to the room, madam. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Though the certificates you have sent and we had a look also of these certificates, but still in video, at least these main certificates should be focused. So
Yes,
now
madam.
you
Yes, madam. Yes,
move
madam.
to your office and show us these
madam.
certificates only. Okay, sir.
Fine, madam. Fine. We are going to the room where we kept the. Yes, madam. I will reach the room, madam.
Show us those 4 certificates only, sir, mainly. DO certificate, fire safety, building safety,
Yes.
Water sanitation.
Okay.
Only these certificates.
Okay. DO certificate. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. DO certificate, madam. DO certificate.
Its date of issue is
Then this
27/3/2020.
Yes, madam. Also. This is our yes, madam. A district educational officer will sign 27/3/2020.
20.
Yes,
Okay.
madam.
I
Next,
think there
madam.
was some issue related to the name. Name
Yes,
mentioned.
name, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Also, yes, madam. Yeah, madam. Initially, we are formulated as a DMI St. Joseph Indian School. After we corrected, yeah.
So now this is corrected one, na, sir? Here it is written as St.
Initially,
Joseph
the
International
DMI
School.
after, yeah. Yes, madam. Also the certificate, madam. We corrected and wrote it down. Certificate we got. Affidavit we got it, madam. Affidavit already sent to you, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen. That's why, because
This
in this
over-
there is correct name.
Yes, yes. Now see Saint Joseph International School. Yeah, Saint Joseph International School, not international. Saint Joseph verification everything did, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, madam, fire and safety certificates. Yeah. Now, madam, it is written in Tamil. Okay, madam. Fire and safety, but it's translated in
But
English.
English, yes, English
we got
version
it.
is also there. I can see. It is of 26
Yes.
to 20. 26 Feb.
Yes,
The
madam.
date of issue
As
is.
per that, yes, yes, madam. 26 to 2020. madam.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes, madam. Next, madam, that is a sanitary certificate, madam.
Yes, sir.
Block health supervisor signed
Block health supervisor.
2nd January 2020. Yes, madam.
Okay, sir.
Then next, madam, next.
Affidavit one you have to show.
Update, yes, madam, yes, madam. Update one. Yes, madam. Update one.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir. We
madam.
have seen the documents.
Yes,
Monita
madam.
ma'am, if you want to see something else.
No, ma'am, I think we have seen. Maybe we can now stop recording and then just ask a few questions after if you want.
Yeah,
No, here we can ask with the school if the school wants. If you want to ask something from the school, here you can ask, ma'am, so that we can ask the school to leave and later on we can discuss.
Okay. Okay. Just wanted to know a few things like when you take and recruit new teachers, do you have an orientation plan for them, sir?
yes, madam. Yes, madam. We have orientation program. We will give the intensive training. The first induction training will be given 1 week, madam. Yes, madam. We'll give every year the new teachers when they take inside our school. We'll give the induction training for teachers so that they will very familiarly happy with the school system. So that it's easy for you them to move freely to our school system, madam.
Yeah, they have sent a report also, ma'am, of this in this file we have seen. Teachers orientation down. They have sent, yes.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes.
And do you have regular parent-teacher meetings?
Yeah, madam, we don't have the regular parent-teacher meeting, but every examination, periodic test 1, 2, and term 1, then again periodic 3, 4. Yes, madam, we have. Any other issues there, we'll call. Most welcome our parents to our school. They can come anytime. We can discuss a lot of things, madam.
No, sir, that is best. That is fine. and
Yes, ma'am.
teachers take a lesson plan before they teach and they share it with
Yes,
you, sir?
yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yeah, I'll show the. Yes, madam. Weekly once they'll show the lesson plan, madam. Weekly what they're going to teach in the classrooms, they'll show to us, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, you have sent
Ma'am,
one lesson plan also here in the documents. I can see that.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Ma'am, that's it for me, ma'am. Ma'am, if you want to ask, Manju, ma'am.
No, it's okay, ma'am. And sir, एक और चीज है, you please be ready because after this we have to fill up the report, and in report we definitely have to ask something like number of teachers and some dimensions etc. So please be available on the phone, okay? Now you may leave, sir, so that we both of us can discuss. And thank you so much, sir, for cooperating and giving a wonderful view of your school. Best wishes for your school, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm Roslyn. I also thank you.
Thank you, sir. And
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, you can leave the meeting now.
Now because one VJ is also there still in the meeting. Vikils Jensen. From this ID also yes, now they have left, ma'am. Now only we two are here. So any suggestions you want to give, ma'am?
No, ma'am, it looked fine to me, the school. So
Yes, ma'am.
I'm okay. I think they have things in place. And
Yes, ma'am, everything was in place and good infrastructure is also there. Their beauty, that building also they have beautifully decorated.
Ma'am, you are still recording. You can stop recording now.
No, ma'am, this should be in the recording.
Okay,
After that,
fine,
we will leave. That whatever we are discussing, that also should be in the recording. That suppose some problem is there and if we want to give some suggestions, so those suggestions should also be here. Like I have given them that fire extinguisher should be in the chemistry lab, because mostly the accidents those happens in chemistry lab. Students do notorious things in chemistry labs. Rest all the things were okay about that. Even certificates also I have seen all the certificates are new, and that one issue was also resolved. Name problem was also resolved by them.
But it's really nice. They have the fire extinguisher valid for 4 years, 5 years. We so only get for 1 year.
Here also we get for 1 year only. Yes, that's why I was surprised that they get for 4 years. Okay, ma'am. So now we may leave so that now we can fill up the report. Okay.
So, ma'am, how will we fill up the report? Through this meeting, you will share.
Ma'am, I will log in and fill up the report. And after that, I will send the copy that the report is submitted to you as well as to the school.
Okay,
in the group, I will share, ma'am.
I don't need to be part of this now, ma'am?
No, nothing else now not needed. If some
you can call me.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Same here, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's really nice. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Now I stop recording.